found yourself stuck typing and retyping search queries on Google because you just can't find the right words? Google gets it, and now it has a solution. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Make your searching smarter, easier, and way more fun with a new visual search feature in Google Search's AI mode. Launching this week in English across the US, Google's AI mode lets users ditch the keyword struggle by simply showing or describing what's on their mind, whether it's a style, object, or even a mood. No more endlessly applying filters or changing phrases. Just say, for example, barrel jeans that aren't too baggy, and watch AI mode instantly bring up relevant images, styles, and shopping options. And the most relieving part, the AI doesn't just scan images, it even understands the finer details and context. Want darker tones, bolder patterns, or something more subtle? You can search it up while having a conversation, guiding the AI to narrow down your options. Each image then links to more info or where to buy, making the whole experience smooth and stress-free. Google announced this feature on X, telling how this innovation makes it easier than ever to explore visual ideas, whether you're hunting for the perfect cushion to decorate your home or looking for a cool pair of jeans. No more frustration or guessing, because with Google's AI mode visual search, you can find exactly what you want simply by describing or showing it. The future of searching is here, and it's smarter, faster, and totally user-friendly. Are you ready to let AI read your mind? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.